everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. Today we're diving into Dacia's latest concept turned reality, the 2026 Sandman. Think campervan meets crossover, starting around 17 to 20,000 euros, let's see what makes it stand out. Meet the all-new 2026 Dacia Sandman, a bold leap into affordable adventure mobility. How walk-around, panning from front bumper to rear. VO Plus host points out features: crossover-style aggressive grille, rugged plastic underbody cladding, two-tone alloy wheels, LED lighting, sliding side door plus dual rear doors, round clearance 210 ideal for light off-road treks. Inside, modular up top. A fold-flat bench that converts into a double bed, clamp-style storage, under-seat compartments, and a floating dock infotainment screen with CarPlay and Android Auto. Site, mention optional modular, sleep pack, from jogger/duster. Under the hood, a 1.5L diesel, 115 to 130 PS, from Duster, or gas options up to 150 PS, maybe even mild hybrid. With Haldex-style 4x4, 210mm clearance, and even skid plates and locking diffs on higher trims. Performance stats: 0 to 60 miles per hour 11/12s, towing 1.5, 1.8T, fuel economy 5, 6.5L/100 km, efficient for its class. Tech-wise, expect a touchscreen, smartphone mirroring, Bluetooth and USB. Safety features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise, hill descent control, autonomous emergency braking, multiple airbags, and parking sensors. Site, despite its rugged focus, comfort isn't ignored: manual or auto AC, ergonomic seating, generous internal storage, soft touch surfaces in higher trims, even heated seats in colder clips. Site, what sets the Sandman apart? Price point, starting around €1720K, makes it one of the cheapest capable campervans on the market. It bridges the gap between a daily crossover and weekend wilderness base camp. There are compromises: the interior isn't luxurious and lacks integrated bathroom or kitchenette. Engine power is modest. Fully loaded hills might test its limits, and long-term reliability remains to be seen. Site, so, who's it for? Budget travelers, solo or duo adventurers, weekend warriors seeking simplicity without sacrificing comfort. If you want full-on luxury, it's not that. But if you want a practical, fun, affordable adventure rig, the Sandman checks a ton of boxes. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for riding along, see you next time.